On Monday, oil continues trading notably higher. Traders are evaluating the US-China interim trade agreement announced on Friday. The recent decision of OPEC and allies to deepen the output cuts provides significant support for the oil prices. The ruble is gaining ground against the US dollar after some losses in the previous session. In the coming days, situation in the market will be largely determined by the major events of the past week. In particular, the Brent quotes have rallied to the previous highs of September amid positive news from the trade front. However, investors stay cautious as they await more details of the Phase 1 trade agreement. The remaining uncertainty may weigh on the oil prices in the coming days. Besides, US Trade Representative Robert Lighthizer said on Sunday that the White House will resume its intention to impose tariffs in case the parties disagree on the key points. Meanwhile, Beijing has suspended additional tariffs on some US goods, but probably not for long. It seems that the final stage of these trade negotiations is still far to come. Despite the unstable background, oil continues following the upward trend as the market sentiment has significantly improved over the past 2 months. Brent has edged up moderately and is currently trading at $65.29 a barrel, which is slightly above the closing price on Friday. WTI is also extending gains on Monday, reaching $59.86 per barrel. So the important level of $64 has been successfully passed. Brent is highly likely to reach the level of 65 or go beyond it by the end of December. This week, traders will focus on crude inventories data and oil output in the US, as the news from the industry can be quite promising. The ruble has slightly eased against the US dollar late in the previous session. Still, the ruble's position is rather strong. Today, the Russian currency is advancing against its American counterpart, which has lost 0.27%. The dollar-ruble pair is currently trading at the level of 62.74. According to the technical analysis, the situation for the ruble will remain positive. During the day, the pair is expected to return to the level of 62.60. In addition to the high oil prices, the ruble will be supported by a tax period in Russia this week. Market participants will have more reasons for concern this week. On Wednesday, the US Congress is expected to vote on the impeachment of Donald Trump. Although the Senate is unlikely to support the impeachment, this event itself will become a negative factor for the markets. It's difficult to predict how the oil prices will be affected. Moreover, all these events will occur amid the changing dollar index. That's all for now. Thank you for watching and stay tuned.